Good morning, students of class 7. I am your English teacher Amrendra Kumar. Today we are going to discuss question answer chapter number 2, The Magic Rap. Literature chapter number 2, The Magic Rap. First number, objective type questions, multiple choice questions. First number, tick the correct option. Iliman and Norilla lived in a dash house. Palace. 4 number, palatial. B number, Silva was given many dash gifts on her wedding. Many. First number, expensive gifts. C number, Silva dash took the magic wrap out of the locked box. Silva. Second number, seldom. D number, Silkami became a dash when he touched the magic wrap. Became a first number. No. Second number, peacock. Alternative response type questions. Tick the correct statements and cross the incorrect ones. A number, Iliman and Norilla did not give their consent for Silva's marriage. Cross. B number, the magic wrap was kept under lock and key. Tick. C number, Silva shared the secret of the magic wrap with her husband. Cross. D number, Silkami became a peacock when he touched the magic wrap. Tick. Matching type questions. Third number, match the groups of words in column A with those in column B. Column A. A number, Silva fell in love. Match with third number, with Silkami, a man from her own tribe. B number, the magic wrap. The magic wrap, first number, was kept in a strong locked box. C number, Silva went to a nearby stream. 4 number, to catch crabs for her husband's lunch. D number, Silkami and Silva were changed. Second number, into a peacock and a peahen respectively. 4 number, fill in the blanks choosing the correct words from the brackets. First number, the walls of the house were decorated with dash lamps, copper lamps. B number, the magic wrap could be touched only after chanting a magic spell. C number, Norilla presented the dash wrap to her daughter Silva, the magic wrap. D number, Silva went to a nearby stream to catch dash for lunch, crabs. Now very short answer questions. 5 number, answer each question in 1 or 2 sentences. A number, what was the Garo chief's wife named? Answer, the name of the Garo chief's wife was Norilla. B number, what was the chief's house made of? Answer, the chief's house was just like a palace. It was made of strong bamboo. C number, with whom did Silva fall in love? Answer, Silva fell in love with Silkami, who was a young man from her own tribe. D number, what was the unique gift presented to Silva by her mother? Answer, the unique gift was a magic wrap which was presented to Silva by her mother. Short answer questions. 6 number, answer each question in a few sentences. A number, what kind of house did the Garo chief and his family live in? Answer, The Garo chief and his family lived in a house which looked like a palace. It was made of strong bamboo. The doors and windows were decorated with finest cane matting and the flowers were covered with expensive and the floors were covered with expensive silk carpets. The walls were decorated with beautiful copper lamps. Second number question, who was Silkami and how did he look? Answer, Silkami was a young man from Silba's own tribe. He looked very handsome and attractive. C number, to whom and by whom was the magic rap originally presented? Answer, the magic rap was originally presented to their great grandmother by their goddess on her wedding. Since then, it had been handed down from mother to daughter in their family. D number, what was the unique gift presented to Silba by her mother? Answer, silk. Answer, no, D number, what were Silba and Silkami changed into and with what difference between the two? Answer, Silkami changed into a peacock and Silba changed into a peahen. The difference was that Silkami had caught larger portion of the wrap, so peacocks have far more bright feathers, and Silva caught a small portion of the wrap, so peahen has less feathers. Now 7 number, answer each question in detail. Describe the magic wrap and its special quality. Where did it come from? Answer, the magic wrap was made of finest silk. It shone so brightly that it dazzled the eyes of anyone who saw it. This magical wrap could be touched only after chanting a magic spell. Otherwise, the person would be destroyed. It was presented to their great grandmother by their goddess on her wedding. B number question, delineate how Silba left the magic wrap in the open one day. Answer, one day Silba spread out the magic wrap to air. Just then she remembered that she had to go to nearby stream to catch some crabs to cook for her husband's lunch. Thus, in this way, she left the wrap in the open and went to the stream. Scene number, how were Silkami and Silva changed into a peacock and peahen respectively? What happens even today when clouds gather in the sky? Answer. To save the magic wrap from rain, Silkami ran out to bring it in, but as soon as he touched it, he turned into a peacock. Just then his wife came running, and without thinking, she caught the small piece of wrap which was still visible. Then she also turned into a peahen. And even today, when clouds gather in the sky, it is believed that the bird is afraid that his beautiful feathers would get spoiled with rain. Now students, chapter number 2 is finished. You all students will write these question answers in your notebook. In the next class, we will study literature chapter number 3. Thank you.